Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm still here in the beautiful island of Panglao and I'm going to share with you another yoga practice that you can do even without the mat. Last time I did a seated or a low practice that's very gentle, but if you want something that's more energetic, let's work our legs, let's work our core, and let's start standing up. So here I'm going to face the imaginary short edge of my mat. We're going to do half sun salutation. So you think it's no chaturanga, but wait. So stand here with your feet hip-width apart, and then hands shining forward, coming to your Tadasana. Belly in, tailbone tucked in. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale, reach the arms up. Forward fold, Uttanasana. Hands by your shins, Ardha Uttanasana. And then slowly come down. Then swan dive up. And hands come down. Another one. Inhale, reach the arms up. Swan dive forward. You can keep the knees at the micro bend. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, drop down. Inhale, come up. And hands reach down. One more. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, halfway lift. And then drop your weight down. Inhale up. Exhale, come down. Let's do your side bends. Reach the arms up. Grasp the left wrist with your right hand. And then bend over to the right. Now slowly come up. And switch. Pull your right wrist up. And then bend over. Slowly come up. Interlace your hands like forming a bird. And then your hips thrust forward, back bend. Slowly dive forward, bend the knees, grab opposite elbows, and begin to sway from side to side. Dip your knees low, hips down, sink to your chair pose. You can stay here, or you can come to your prayer hands, and then lift the heels off the mat. Challenge yourself. If you want, you can grab a pillow and hold this in between your knees. And come. Now we're going to step the left leg back. And then your right foot turns to face the side. Left foot slightly turned in. Arms reach to either side. And then slowly shift back. Your hips reach forward. Chikunasana, triangle pose. Take your bind if you want to, if that's part of your practice. If not, it's okay. Now bend the right knee. Reach back, reverse warrior. And then your right forearm comes to your right thigh. Reach up to your side angle pose. Slowly come up, warrior two. Now straighten your right leg, pigeon toe your legs, place your hands on your hips, take a deep breath in, exhale, hinge forward to your wide-legged forward fold. Use your core to keep you steady here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, slowly come up. And then let's do the other side. And then reach for a triangle pose. Take your bind if you want to. Now reverse warrior. Deep breath in here. Adjust your stance and side angle pose. Deep breath here. And out. Inhale. Exhale slowly. Pigeon toe the legs again. Maybe you want to adjust your stance. Squeeze your shoulder blades this time. Interlace your hands behind the back. Puff up the chest and slowly come forward. Now come up. And then step back in front. Come to your Tadasana. Now let's do our balancing series. Your right knee comes up. And then clasp your hands on your right leg. Use the four corners of your left foot to keep you steady. Horse engaged. Now keep the left hand onto your right knee. Reaching out, coming to a twist. Now slowly come forward, hands in prayer. Okay, and then slowly tilt forward as you kick the right leg back, coming to your warrior three. From your warrior three, begin to transition to your half moon. Left hand comes down, right hand reaches up, and then flex the right foot, powering through the pose. Right hand comes down, standing split. And now, place the right foot, crossing it behind the left knee. Pinky fingers touch. Bend the knees. And then come to your eagle pose. Right forearm on top of the left. And come to your eagle. Coming down. For 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Shake. That was intense. Now let's do the other side. So this time you're grasping your left knee. Now come to a twist. Reach your left hand back. Core sucked in for balance. Facing back to center, hands together in front of your heart. And then, warrior three. You can keep the back, this bottom leg at the bend. Whoops, and if you fall back, just come back. From your warrior three, transition to your half moon. For me, this is the easier side. Really feel strong. Open up the chest. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, standing split. From your standing split, cross the left foot behind the right. Pinky fingers touch. And from here, bend your knees and transition to your eagle. This time, the left hand is on top. Squeeze the knees together. Deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly reach up. One last half. Surya A. Drop down. Grab opposite elbows. Sway from side to side. Reach the arms up. And then come to your Tadasana. Close your eyes and observe. So this is the end of my Standing Flow series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any more requests. Thank you for coming, and I hope you all guys are here back next week. Namaste.